你龟儿太过分了，把我的东西都搞坏了，还晓不晓得认错？硬是要把我整冒火，你才安逸说，莫再烦老子爬球开。
A rare celestial alignment that only happens once every few years under these exact conditions. And there's a catch: on the same day, Venus squares Pluto, which means to receive what's trying to reach you, you have to release what no longer serves you. This is where Sitael, the angel of protection and hope, becomes essential. Because expansion without protection is reckless. Opportunity without safety is overwhelming. And this is protected expansion. What most people don't realize is that the opportunity arriving on April 3rd has already been trying to reach you twice. Since mid-February, Mercury and Jupiter have been dancing around the exact same degree, 15 degrees, creating a trine, not once, not twice, but 3 times. This is a 3-phase unlocking. Phase 1, February, the initial alignment. Seeds planted, something new tried to enter your life. Phase 2, March, Mercury retrograde, review, refinement, confusion, delays. You might have felt stuck, like something important was just out of reach. Phase 3, April 3rd, final alignment. Resolution. The door finally opens. If you've been feeling stuck since February, if you've sensed something trying to reach you but couldn't quite grasp it, this is why. The universe has been preparing you for this moment. Each phase built on the last. Each delay had a purpose. Each obstacle was part of the refinement. And now the path clears. Let's break down what makes this alignment so powerful. Mercury is the planet of communication, ideas, messages, contracts, and movement. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, opportunity, growth, and blessings. When they align in a trine, a harmonious 120-degree angle, the universe hands you a key. Mercury says, here's the message, here's the contract, here's the clarity you've been waiting for. Jupiter says, here's the expansion, here's the opening, here's the door you've been seeking. This is the kind of transit where a conversation opens a door you didn't know existed. A piece of information transforms your understanding. A contract or agreement finally moves forward. Clarity arrives after months of confusion. For Virgo, Pisces, and Sagittarius, the signs most affected by this alignment, this can bring romantic breakthroughs, creative crystallization, and foundational expansion. But here's what Sitael adds to this: the protection to actually receive it. Because opportunity is terrifying if you don't feel safe enough to say yes. Now here's the catch: on the same day, April 3rd, Venus squares Pluto. Venus represents your values, your desires, what you love and want. Pluto represents transformation, death and rebirth, the deep underground. When they square each other, there's tension between what you want and what needs to transform. This is the release requirement. To receive what's trying to reach you, you must let go of what no longer serves you. Old values, outdated desires, relationships or situations that are actually blocking the new opportunity. You cannot hold the old and receive the new. Your hands must be empty to catch what's being thrown. Venus square Pluto says, what are you still holding that doesn't fit anymore? And Sitael, the angel of protection, answers, I will keep you safe while you let go. This is protected release. This is safe surrender. This is the protection that allows you to release without fear of being destroyed. Sitael offers 3 kinds of protection for this moment. First, protection during expansion. Growth is vulnerable. When things open up, you're exposed. Sitael's protection doesn't prevent the expansion. It creates the safety for the expansion to actually happen. You can say yes to opportunity because you know you're held. Second, protection during release. Letting go is terrifying. What if I need this later? What if nothing replaces it? Sitael's protection says, you won't fall. You will be caught. What leaves will be replaced. You can let go because you trust the safety net. Third, protection during integration. When old leaves and new arrives, there's a transition period, uncertainty, adjustment. Sitael's protection creates a container for this transformation. Not rushing, not forcing, just steady, grounded safety while you integrate. Sitael's ritual for protected expansion. What you'll need: a white candle for protection and purity, an amber stone, Sitael's stone, paper and pen, and 2 bowls, one empty, one with water. Face northeast, Sitael's direction. Light the white candle. Hold your amber stone. Phase 1. Acknowledge the 3 phases. Reflect on February. What tried to enter your life? What seeds were planted? Reflect on March. What was reviewed, refined, delayed? What confusion cleared? Now look at April 3rd. What is finally ready to open? Phase 2. Identify what to release. Write down what you're still holding that doesn't fit anymore. Old values, outdated desires, situations that block the new. Fold the paper, hold it over the empty bowl. Say, Sitael, protect me as I release. What no longer serves me, I let go. Create space for what is trying to reach me. Burn the paper safely. Watch it transform to ash. Let it go. Phase 3. Receive what's coming. Hold the amber stone over your heart. Say, Sitael, protect me as I expand. I am safe to receive. I am safe to say yes. I am safe to grow. Sit in silence for 5 minutes. Feel the protection. Feel the expansion. Feel the integration. When ready, blow out the candle. Keep the amber stone with you. You'll know Sitael's protection is working when you feel ready for opportunity instead of overwhelmed by it. A door opens and instead of panic, you feel grounded excitement. You release something old and instead of emptiness, you feel space, clean, open space. You notice that you're saying yes to things that once scared you. The stuck feeling from February and March begins to lift, not all at once, but like clouds parting after a long storm. And sometimes when you least expect it, you receive the message, the contract, the clarity you've been waiting for. Not because you forced it, but because the protection allowed you to be ready when it arrived. Tomorrow, April 3rd, 2026, the sky delivers the single most powerful cosmic opportunity of the year. Mercury and Jupiter align at 15 degrees. 3 months of preparation come to resolution. What's been trying to reach you finally has a clear path. But there's a catch. Venus squares Pluto the same day. To receive the new, you must release the old. This is protected expansion. This is safe release, Sitael. The angel of protection and hope creates the container for both. You are safe to grow. You are safe to let go. You are safe to receive what's been trying to reach you. This is angel timing. See you tomorrow for the final day of the Sitael window.